All right, so in this video, I want to show you how the salt is used along with the password to create a salted password for which the hash is actually created. Okay, so first of all, let's go and check the shadow file. Okay, so for that, I can run this command sudo cat uh, root etc/shadow, right? So when I run that, I get, like, for example, for this user, which is called San Forensics, I see, so all this data over here is colon separated, as you can see. So it's the username, okay? And then the colon, right? And then there's a number, $6, which means that this hashing algorithm that was used here is SHA-512. Immediately after this magic number, which tells you the hash algorithm, you have your um, salt, which is a random value generated by the system, okay, which is actually appended to your password in order to generate this hash. Okay, so for this one, when there's the 6, it means that it is SHA-512, and then this is the salt, and then it's mixed with your password, and this hash is generated, and these values gives you information about like when the password was generated, and other things related to the expiry of the password and so on. Okay, so let's first see. Okay, uh, we can use the password and the salt to generate uh, the hash that is in the shadow. Okay, so what I can do is I can use OpenSSL. Okay, and then I can use the command password. Okay, and then -6 means I want to use the same hashing algorithm. Okay, and I want to give a salt. And what's the salt? I want to use the same salt because I want to verify that I generate the same hash. Okay, so I'm just going to copy. I'm going to paste here. Okay, that's the salt you should use. And then the password for this user Stan Forensics. And for my virtual machine, the password is forensics. Okay, and if I run that command, you can see that, okay, it gives you the output in this format, right? Not the whole, you don't get this information, but the rest is same. So as you can see here, it's 6. That's the salt that was used, and then you have that Q9 VPWBW. You can again check all the strings. You get the same password. Okay, so what's happening is that this salt is getting mixed with this forensics in order to generate this uh, hash output. And why the system does, because two users may have the same password. Okay, and how does the system distinguish that, okay, San Forensics wants to log in, or maybe another user, let's say Hannah, may have the same password, right? If salt was not used, the hash would be same, and then the system does not have a way to identify if both these users have the same hash. The system would not have a way to identify which user is associated with that generated hash. Okay, and also the purpose of the salt is also to prevent against rainbow attacks. Okay, so this is one way to verify. You can also verify using this website here. It's www.decode.fr. So let's see over here, right? So what I want to use is I want to use SHA-512 because the SHA-512 is same as $6. Okay, you're going to paste the salt, which is that. Okay, and then the custom number of iterations is 5,000, and then you have to provide also the password, right? So the password was forensics. Okay, enter those information, and then if you hit enter, where is yeah, over here, if you do hit encrypt, you will see that you are going to get that same output hash. Okay, yeah, Q9VPWC7, which you can again go back and check, is the same output. Okay, yeah. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you everyone for watching.